In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a soothing and delicious honey lemon tea. It's perfect for when you have a sore throat or if you just want a really bright citrusy flavor in a caffeine-free tea. You may have had a similar version at Starbucks. They call it a honey citrus mint tea, but this version that you can make at home is so much more budget friendly and it's healthier because it has no artificial flavors or preservatives. Hi everyone and welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen. I'm Carrie and this is my channel where I share easy real food recipes and tips so you can feel your best. And I do have a master's degree in public health with a specialty in nutrition. I'm also a survivor of autoimmune disease and PCOS. So this is a very simple recipe. You really just need lemon, honey, and water, but I'm going to take it to the next level. We're going to use both the lemon juice and the lemon peels, and the lemon peels have a special health component in addition to the lemon juice, which is high in vitamin C, but also the lemon peels have other benefits including nutrients and minerals and antioxidants. And then I have one other special ingredient, which is fresh ginger. And so there are a few different ways you can make this recipe. I'm going to show you kind of the full extent using the lemon peel and the ginger, and then you can adapt it to the ingredients you have on hand. So let's jump into this recipe.
As I mentioned, this is a very simple recipe. At its basics, at its most basic, you could just use a lemon, honey, and water. I like to use filtered water just so I don't get any chlorine taste, and I also like using an organic lemon because then you don't have to worry about pesticides. But I do recommend washing the lemon just to get rid of any dirt. And to make the lemon honey tea extra special, we're going to use the peel, and I'm going to boil the peel. So I use this vegetable peeler. You could also just use a paring knife. Try not to get too much of the white pith because that can make the tea bitter. And then you're just going to heat up the water with the lemon peel, and I like to simmer it for about 10 minutes. And then I decided to add some ginger into the mixture as well. So you would probably want to add the ginger slices with the lemon peel. I just quickly added it in, and I used about I guess it was about a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. I took off the peel. Again, I don't like using ginger peel. I think it can be kind of bitter. So after I simmered the lemon peel and the water and the ginger slices, I then added the juice of that one lemon. And you want to take the peel off before you juice the lemon, otherwise it can be really difficult. And then, of course, you do need to strain out the solids that you've simmered. So then you are just left with your lemon tea. And so then you do need to add some honey. I tasted it and it didn't taste horrible without the honey, but the honey is kind of an important part, and that's what soothes your throat. So I like to use a local honey. This one, actually, my friend gave me. She has hives on her property, and so this is just a really great drink for the winter time, and I hope this video shows you how easy it is to make. And if you don't drink it all in one sitting, you can store it in the refrigerator for up to a few days and then just reheat it when you're ready to drink it.
Okay, so I have my tea. It has the honey in it, and then of course I strained it so you can see the color and what it looks like. Let me give it a taste test. It's so delicious. I had actually tasted it just for fun without adding any honey, and it tasted as you would expect, just kind of a tart, citrusy flavor with a little bit of the hint of the ginger, but the honey, of course, takes it to the next level. It's very soothing. I'm for sure going to enjoy this, and I hope any of you who aren't feeling well that this at least soothes your throat and warms you up from the inside and makes you feel better. So really, whether you're looking to drink this for a morning boost or a warming drink as part of your evening ritual, or if you're not feeling well, I hope that you really love this recipe. So before we go, I would love if you would share maybe your favorite drink that you've been enjoying lately, especially if it has some special kind of health properties. I would love to know that. I've actually been making, in addition to this lemon ginger tea, I've been making a healthy hot chocolate. And if you're interested, I will make a video, so let me know in the comments. I also wanted to share another video that you might be interested in. It's my blender orange juice recipe, and it is definitely the world's healthiest orange juice. So I'm going to link that here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.